So this is Mavic Air 2 from DJI. So today we are going to do its unboxing. It usually comes in two parts. One is this box where the drone and the RC is there, and there is another bag in which the charging hub and other accessories will be given. So one by one we'll do unboxing for both of them. So as you can see, this is the drone. DJI Air 2. Let me just remove the gimbal protector. Gently pressing in, and here we go. Next in the box comes the remote control, with mobile holder and the usual buttons from DJI. And lastly we have a couple of manuals. Let's see what's in this box. So one, we have an charging adapter, charging cable, to connect the RC with your mobile, some cables, and some extra propellers. Yeah. So along with this box we have a bag in which other accessories for the drone, like the battery charging hub, and where you can carry the drone easily. It has all the features, some extra batteries, two of them, and the charging hub. So in order to connect it, we have the adapter from the previous box. We'll connect it here. Then we'll connect the cable with this, and we can connect it to the charging port. Here we can connect 3 batteries simultaneously. So this is what comes in the box for the DJI RC, and we have 3 extra pairs of propellers. That's it. Thank you.